Dear viewers, I am Noman Ghazi. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create an attractive intro for your YouTube channel. It is very simple. From where you can find the link. You can search from Google free template, intro template download. So you will find many websites. From there you can download any intro for your YouTube channel. So I just give some example. There is two link you can see. Okay, this and this, the both of template. So I'm going to download this, copy, go to Google, address bar. After paste, you will find a Google Drive file. From this Google Drive you can download it to your desktop. So after desktop you can open, okay, from software. So I come software, this Camtasia Studio, go to import media. There is a file, this is the file. I'm going to open this file, click right button, add to video 1. So the way I have add the file, this is the video and this is the audio. So the both of I will edit. Let's play. Okay, so make it zoom little bit big. Yes, from here I will start, okay, to write. This one I will go to call out. From here drop down list, select it. Okay, you can found this, you can move it. If you want to make it big, you can make it big, small, any size you can make. Just write here your text, what you want to write. Or learn with Noman. Okay, so play it from beginning. Okay, there is a, you can see the background music. Okay, you can reduce, okay, the volume. There is volume down, volume up. Okay, I want to make it reduce more. Play and check. If you feel you need more, just volume up. Okay, so I have complete a simple intro for YouTube channel. So now I will rendering, go to produce and share, drop down list. You will find many category. From here HD I select, next. Here you can write the file name. Intro for YouTube. Okay, let it be like that. Finish. This project being rendering, it will take little time. Okay, my rendering has been finished, so just click finish. Okay, so I'm going to open this file from my desktop, document, Camtasia Studio. This is the file. So guys, this is the way I can create an attractive and simple intro for your YouTube channel. So guys, if you feel this video help you, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button to get update with me. Thank you for watching this video.